to another episode of Kevin Tries for the first for the first time. And you see it, Chester's Chicken. See where is that, eh? Chicken on the run. Huh? Alright people, so I'm gonna tell you now what, I'm gonna lock back in box. I'm gonna go there if you go buy one combo. I'm gonna try use my card and them say the card machine is out. So I didn't have some cash. So I say alright, just sell me like a one piece only. I do believe that the one piece only is just one piece of chicken without no wedges. But looking inside my box a while ago, there is wedges. So maybe the one piece only do come with wedges. I mean, we eat wedges already, so we know what wedges taste like. What I'm really interested in is the chicken. Piece of meat I took was thigh. Boy, it does look beautiful. And if you look at it closely, I'm going to try and zoom on it. You do see the spices. Yeah, man, you do see the spices on there. It does. Smelling it, I get garlic or onion. I think more so garlic powder. We gotta go in for the thigh, brother. It's the way wedges look like. Yeah. Potato covered with butter. It does say on the box that their chicken is double breaded. Now if you don't know me, like me love fried chicken. Maybe more than the average person. 50 times out of 10. If you ask me what I want, if you want to cook some food for me, just know say fried chicken is gonna be at the top of the list. Yeah? And chicken is always on the menu for me. Me no care. Me soon fly. I love fried chicken. Yeah, you know, healthy, but I'm sorry, bro. I gotta live. Do things in a moderation, you know? So you can't eat fried chicken every day, but the days that you can't eat fried chicken, eat fried chicken. So I'm gonna go in, you know. I chicken really are the thing, you know. The wedges, bread. Look, wedges are just wedges. Potato with butter. And then decent. What makes them taste even better is the fact that I'm not supposed to have them. Possibly. Me just buy the chicken only, which was like $400. So I'm probably not supposed to have no wedges, but that just enhances the taste more. You see, anything with free, it make things taste better. That extra ingredient there, free, yeah man, things taste nicer with it on it. And one time I used to love chicken breast, but not everybody can fry chicken breast. Most fast food places, them have frying chicken breast done. But if the chicken breast go get cold pan you, brother, you're gonna hang. You can go either Western or Chester's barbecue. Oh, speaking of barbecue, Chester's sauce. Anyways, I'm just showing you that. But I want to try just the chicken alone. Wow. Wow. One more bite, hold on. Wow. Let me talk to you fast because I really want to go back and finish off this. The flavor is right throughout the chicken. The brine, whatever brine they use, is soaked right throughout the chicken. You get the nice saltiness and the collective of flavors in there. What I get the most though is like garlic powder. Like I can't figure out nothing else when I'm supposed to get, but I know say garlic there. So whatever them use season the chicken, whatever them brine the chicken in, it is right throughout the chicken. This is the sauce, the Chester's sauce. Chester's sauce look like a bag of things and a bag of things. Then I can cook a little bit, but you know what I think? It smells like there is something in there. Mustard. And if you don't look closely, when you see some whole heap of spices, Chester's sauce look like it is seasoned properly. So we're going to try it first with the wedge. Hold on there, dog. Alright, so it's more on the tangy side. The seasonings are there. Yeah, the seasoning on the seat, so the seasoning them come out. I want to say slightly spicy, slightly. Like very slightly. And it have like a hint. I want to say something like thyme. Something with a thymy essence. But on a full out thyme. Maybe a thyme, but something with a thymy essence in there. How am I going to dip this one? Alright, watch your style. This I want to know if chicken cook. Alright, Chester's I feel it is. Usually when them cook thigh, fast food places, they break it. So them kind of break it like, and the thigh easier to come out. Maybe Chester's not know that style yet. We're not penalizing enough for that Chester's. Dip that in there, so you know. Oh, I think they have nuggets, you know. They have two other sauce, honey mustard and ranch. You know honey mustard taste, you know ranch taste, but me did have to test out them Chester's sauce. If I had to give the sauce a grading, I'd say 6 out of 10. Again, me the kind of youth who like the sweeter side of things. Not so much tangy, the sweeter side. Yeah, me know saying not good for me, but hey, you gotta live a little, man. Hey, on the chicken, you don't really do nothing crazy, because the chicken itself is already beautifully seasoned. So it's just the tanginess you gotta get from the Chester sauce on your chicken. The tanginess. Sauce pan the wedges, yeah man, you can go on. Sauce pan the chicken. It's good but you don't need it. When you get down in the sauce though, you really like the tanginess not overbearing. Yeah, when you get down in it. So if you get a chance people and you've never tried Chester's, Kevin Too Crazy tried it for the first, or just sitting in my mouth corner. That's supposed to make some money. Like Kevin wipe off your mouth corner, you know what I mean? Now wipe it off. Watch on the chip I go lick. Talk about me too. Like in a post, in a editing. Talk about me, I wipe it off. Can me put it on the next piece. So yeah, you can try it for yourself, man. If you've never tried it before, if you look for another option of fried chicken. And I've seen a couple more restaurants that I want to try also. We do fried chicken. So look out for those episodes coming up. But so far, Chester's, I am going to give this 8.5. Because I really like the fact the flavor is right throughout the chicken. When you know, so if I'm eat some food, the beverage video is coming up. And that's something where only request me try. Somebody wrote it in the comment section. So you can drop in the comment section what you want to see me try. And if I see it, I'm gonna put it on the list. And that list is building. So you might want to drop a comment fast. So started opting for back to the program before we were rudely interrupted. And my fault that people, I never delete off some of my footage. So, yeah, that's why the camera cut out. But anyways,